Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to install a blower motor in this 2000 Nissan Pathfinder. If you need this part or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. I'm going to take this trim piece out. Just use some trim tools. Get underneath here. Just pop it up. Just like that. Pull it up. There's these clips underneath there. I'm going to take a 10mm socket, an extension, and a ratchet. I'm going to take this bolt out right here and this trim cover. Take that out. There's also a little plastic nut right here. Just take that out by hand. Slide that off. Then we want to pull this cover off. Just slide it up. Slide it out like that. There's a little clip that stayed on there. Normally it should stay in the cover. Underneath here is a connector right here. Just want to disconnect the connector. Take a straight blade screwdriver, push down on the connector, push down on the lock right there, pull that off. There's a little vent right here. Just gonna disconnect the vent. I'm gonna take a 8mm socket, extension, and a ratchet, and I'll take these 3 bolts out. You could also use a Phillips head screwdriver. That out. This one's a little hard to get to. I'll just use the ratchet without the extension. Take that screw out. I'm actually going to use a universal and a longer extension on this one. So 8mm socket, universal, longer extension. Because it's at an angle. Just loosen this up. There it is. Now I can grab the blower motor, just pull it straight down. Gonna have to maneuver it out a little bit. And there we go. Now we're gonna reinstall this blower motor. Just slide this into position. Maybe a little bit tricky to maneuver it. If you angle it this way first, and then twist it a little bit, back and forth. There's a little tab right here that you want to get lined up. If you can see over there. And I'll take a screw. I'll get this hole started because it's easier to access. Just take my 8mm socket and get this started. Oops. Just get this one started. Once that's in, it's a little easier to have that held in position. Get this screw started. I'll snug this bolt up next. I can hook this vent hose back up. Line that up there. Then take the connector, line it up, lock it in place. Take this panel, make sure this lines up with the clip. It's on there. Push that down. Looks pretty good. Take this plastic screw, get this started. Take this 10mm bolt. Get this started right here. And then just snug that up. That's good. I'll take this trim piece. There's a little alignment tab right there. That lines up with the hole. Line that in position and lock it down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.